Hello, my name is Jen Heng, and I'm the group leader of Group 2 T12L. So I will start off the demo by briefly describe about all the subsystems of our website. So as you can see, this is our login page, and then we have a sign up page, which I'll talk about it later. And then starting off with customer subsystem, uh, this is the customer main dashboard, which consists of petrol ordering, delivery status, and contact support feedback page. Then next will be the driver subsystem. Okay, so this is the driver main dashboard, which consists of check on available orders and view past orders pages. So next will be the admin subsystem. So this is the admin dashboard, which consists of user list, order list, and feedback. And last will be the resource manager. Okay, so this is the dashboard of resource manager, which consists of manage petrol stock page. Okay, so for my part, I'm doing for customer subsystem. So now I will start. So let's say I'm new to the website, so I have to sign an account first. Here I have to enter my name. So let's say my name is Jane Smith. Then my email is janesmith@is. Username my code. So make sure you fill out all the columns up. So click sign up, and then here we prompt sign up successful. So I redirect to login. Now I can log into my customer dashboard with this account. Okay, here. Okay, so first will be the petrol ordering page. So I just click on this. So as you can see, I got 3 petrol types, and they're all available with the stock amount stated here. So let's say if it's unavailable, it will say unavailable here, and you cannot place order for that petrol type. So let's say I want RON 95 and I want 50 liter, and this is my interest. So that once I'm done, I just click place order, and then here you show the order confirmation page, which with all the details. So after you're done checking and the price, you click play, then you are done. So here is your order ID. Okay, so next will be the delivery status tracking. So here I enter my order ID. I just click check status. So these are my details, and this is the status. Pending means the order is not accepted by any driver yet. So there will be 3 status. Once the driver has accepted the order, it will become accepted. Yeah. And once the order has been delivered, it will show delivered. So these are the 3 status here. So last will be the contact support and feedback page. So for contact support, right, we can either call the number, the hotline number, or we can send an email to this email address. As for feedback, we can just leave our feedback here. Let's say great service. Then once I click submit, you show the feedback submitted prompt and appreciation message here. So that's all for the customer subsystem. Thank you.
So this is our software engineering assignment login page, and I will now be logging in as the driver. So it will lead us to the dashboard, which contain check available orders and view past orders. For check available orders, we get to see all the pending orders, as well as the order that are accepted. For example, when I click accept, the deliver and cancel button will appear and the status will be changed to confirm. And when I click on cancel, the status will went back to being pending and the accept button will appear. So I'm going to show what will happen if I click delete. So now that I click delivered, it will appear in the pass order. This one. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi madam, my name is Ting Hui. From this project, I have chosen the role of administrator. As an administrator, I'm responsible for managing customer data, viewing customer order, and also reviewing the customer feedback. This is the login page of our system. Now I will enter the admin username and also the admin password. The system will display a message saying invalid credentials when the system detects the username or the password is incorrect. To try again, we can click the back button to return to the login page and enter the correct credential. So once the system verified that my administrator credentials are correct, it will direct me to the admin dashboard. And over here, there are 3 sections that the administrator can access: user list, order list, and feedback. So let's start with the user list. Now we enter to the manage user page. So over here, we can see a list of registered users with different roles. And the administrator have the ability to manage the user data by editing or deleting. Now we click the edit button and it will jump to the edit user page. So over here, the administrator are able to update or modify the user details such as full name, email, username, role, and password. There's an error checking over here. If the full name is empty and we click save change, it will ask us to fill up this field. So we make some changes. Same goes to the email and also the username. The administrator can choose the role that belong to the user. Okay, only the password column here we can left blank to keep the current password. This to prevent the administrator accidentally remove the user password. Okay, so once we save change and all the details are correct, then the system will tell us that the user update successfully. And we press OK, and the list will display the updated informations of the user. And now let's try the delete button. Okay, so when we click the delete, the system will ask us, are you sure that you want to delete this user? If we click cancel, then nothing will happen. When we click OK, then the system will tell us that the user deleted successfully, and we click OK. So over here we can see the list is no longer have the user for the Jesslyn Mei. Now we click back button to go back to the admin dashboard and proceed with the order list. So the order list is allow administrator to review customer orders, which can be very useful when referencing the customer feedback. So over here we can see the order ID, the petrol type that bought by the customer, the delivery address, and also the delivery status. And now we go back to the dashboard again, and last is the feedback. So the feedback section is allow administrator to review customer feedback, and if there is any issue required to follow up, the administrator can contact the customer through the email or phone call to provide further assistance.
Madam, my name is Angel Ng from T12L and I am in Group 6. Today, I would like to introduce Resource Manager website flow. Resource manager are required to fill in their username and also password. If resource manager ignore the username and password, system will show unsuccessfully login and they are required to fill in the field. This is same as the wrong username and also password. So now I will input the username and password. The system will enter into the resource manager dashboard. Now I click on manage petrol stock. This is the manage stock pages. Resource manager can make changes and also edit in this page. When all the petrol stock are filled and the tick available, when I save the changes, it shows that stock data has been updated successfully. And this will also show in the customer pages. It will show here available and the stock amount left is 1000 liters. When I click on the unavailable, this means that maybe some petrol issues happen or due to the operational hour, but it still can save the changes. So now we go to a customer page. Here will show unavailable because I untick. The system are not required to empty a stock amount. When I save the changes, it shows fail to update stock data. So if the stock amount is empty, I will put 0 and save the changes. So when I go to the customer page, it will also shows that row 95 is unavailable. So that's all from me. Thank you.